Okay, so after it converts like what we asked to a low level form that the memory can understand, this goes through a phase called a storage manager. In transaction manager, we will be checking the ACID properties, like can this transaction happen at all, is it proper, bolke it will check. Then authorization and integrity manager is like it checks if for example if storage if student is asking for principal data, it should not show na. So that is authorization manager. And integrity manager is like is it following, is the query that we asked following all the integrity constraints. Then file manager checks if there is enough memory to like take out the data, like if the main memory has enough memory to bring the data into this. Otherwise replacing of pages, like it has to delete some data to bring the data, and all of that happens, that is seen by the file manager. Then we have the buffer manager. So the buffer manager, it has something called as buffer pool. What does it do? It's like a temporary storage thing. So it takes some data from the actual data path, stores it in this, and if the data being asked for, if the query is asking for that kind of data, this buffer manager will say, okay, you don't need to ask this guy directly, I also have the data, you can take it from me. So that's the buffer manager. Okay, and now after the storage manager is done, we have disk storage. So disk storage is like data, it has the data, and data dictionary is like data about the data. Data dictionary is like metadata. Metadata is like it shows properties of the, see, for example, we have a file. That file is stored in some folder. Okay, a document is stored in some folder. That folder ka location and the folder name, all of that is metadata about the file. So in the same way, data is stored. Data dictionary is metadata about the data. It's like the location and properties, etc., it will store in the dictionary. And DML compiler and organizer and integrity manager is connected to the data dictionary. Okay, then we have indices. Indices, what it will do, it's like it will see how fast you can access the data. Then statistical data is like something for query optimization, like the best way to give a query, the best way to give out the data for like the best way to give a query to take the data. So that is query optimization, and that the statistical data checks, and that is also connected to DML compiler and organizer, obviously. So that's that. This is the DBMS architecture.